Isang magandang araw sa inyong lahat. Ngayon po ay March 29, 2023, Miyerkules. At mabuhay po kayo. Welcome po muli sa The Stock Market today. Pasensya na po kayo at for the late upload. Pero nandito muli po tayo para magbahagi ng balita at i-share yung ating konting nalalaman tungkol sa stock market. Ako po si Benji Chidoro, isang retired bank officer na nag-start pag-invest sa Philippine stock market noong 2007. Araw-araw ko po binabalita ang pinaka-latest news tungkol sa inyong paborito at pinaka-aktibong stock sa Philippine market. Kung gusto niyo po ng content, I invite you to subscribe. Kung meron po kayong stocks na gustong ipa-review o may mga tanong tungkol sa Philippine stock market, comment nyo lang po sa comment box at aking pa-prioritize. Hindi po ako financial advisor. Ang mga sinasabi ko po dito ay hindi po financial advice. Get well soon again to my dear cousin Mari. We're praying for your recovery. Huwag kayong alis dahil babahagi ko sa inyo ating financial headlines at ang resulta ng trading sa ating PSE ngayong araw. March 29, 2023. Dito lamang sa The Stock Market today. Don't go away. Okay, ang ating headlines ay nandito po sa Video Sec. Government raises full 125 billion T-bond program in March. So this is the 7-year T-bond with an average rate of 6.162%. RCEP to take effect in the Philippines by June. RCEP is the Regional Comprehensive Economic Partnership. And then, pure gold net income up 13.5% in 2022. FLI, attributable net income down 24% to 2.9 billion. SEB narrows losses to 14 billion in 2022. And then MPI invest in SPNEC. Ito po yung ating main news. And then LBP-DBP merger eyed before year end. Okay, let's now go to our main news, which is on SPNEC and Metro Pacific. I'll be reading the summary from Video Sec. MPI entered into a definitive agreement to invest in 2 billion to acquire 16% stake or 1.6 billion shares of SP New Energy Corporation at a price of 125 per share from SPNEC parent Solar Philippines Power Holdings. MPI will also be given the option to become the largest shareholder of SPNEC. SPNEC and SPH are in the process of completing an asset for share swap where SPH pipeline of over 8 billion or 8 gigawatt of solar projects will be consolidated under SPNEC. This would increase SPNEC's outstanding shares from 10 billion to over 34.3 billion out of an authorized capital stock of 50 billion common shares, after which MPI may acquire up to 43% of the total outstanding shares of SPNEC. MPI Chairman and President Manny Pangilinan said our trust to pursuing renewable energy brings the MVP Group one step closer to fulfilling our mission of creating long-term value for our stakeholders through responsible and sustainable investments. So yan po ang ating main news. And we have a comment here from Yazer Narciso Molina Domingo. Salamat sir, much appreciated. Thank you po Yazer Narciso Molina Domingo. So let's now go to the Philippine Stock Exchange Index. It gained 27.82 points or nasa 0.42% na po. And it's still moving sideways ang ating index. So parallel na po sa mga indices po natin. Meanwhile, the RSI is a shade above midpoint at 51.78. Market activity, 100 companies declined, 76 advanced while 55 remained unchanged. The all-share index also advanced 0.28%. Meanwhile, the sectoral indices, the financials, holding companies, mining, properties, and services were up but the industrials went down at 0.57%. This was led by the financials at 1.13%. And then the most active stock is SM, followed by BDO, which we'll be reviewing also. Then JFC, TEL, and GLOW. So yung lima pong yan ang ating re-reviewin today. Okay? So let's now go to the review of our stocks, the most active stocks today. SM is number 1. It's just tapering off. Meron po siyang red candlestick. Losing 650 today at 909, but it is still bullish. Yan po si SM. Pataas pa rin po siya based on our indicators. Yung 55.58 po yung kanyang RSI. Meantime, ang pinaka-support po ni SM nandito po sa area to, nasa 892 pesos, and the resistance is here at 949. Yan po si SM. Then si BDO naman, BDO is gained today, yan, 128.50 ha. Talaga naman si BDO. And it has been steadily moving upwards. Actually po, if we will draw a parallel channel, this is the resistance points eh. Yan po oh. Paakyat po siya. Yan po yung resistance channel niya. Hindi po ito support and resistance channel po siya. No? So it's channeling through this narrow border of 129 and 125, which is the resistance area. No? But it's still bullish considering that it is on a slow but upward trend. Yan po. Kasi yan po yung almost sideways to upward movement of BDO Unibank. Yan po yung pinaka-resistance area po niya na aking tinignan. Inclusive dates is January 13 to March 30, or about close to 3 months already. The RSI is bullish at 56. So, kung nakakuha po kayo at a low level of 100 to 105 in the December period, congratulations po. And BDO is doing well. Si JFC naman, si JFC, naku, bearish po si JFC. It has reached oversold levels. Yung earnings po niya is down 33.38, but JFC is a good company and it's very resilient. Ang tingin ko po dito ay time to buy. Yan po si JFC. Meron po siyang down po ang kanyang income rather, and I think sa aking palagay it's time to buy JFC, though hindi naman po siya nagbibigay ng malaking dividendo. So the support area is somewhere here. Actually, it breached the support already na 225, ano? The next lower kasi is here. But I guess it has reached oversold levels here on March 14 and close to oversold on March 16. So the stock is due to move up. Then si TEL naman, we haven't reviewed TEL for quite some time. Yan, slowly inching up ha. And it is because of the dividends that na-declare po niyan last March, no? But nevertheless, it's recovering from that budget overrun, and it is now still just above the support level. The lower support kasi is somewhere, or dito na lang. Yan, 1,271. And it reached that level sometime March 15, and now it's moving up. And then finally, we have SPNEC. Yan, tumataas po si SPNEC. Ang IPO price po niyan ay piso eh. Yan no, back here. But it has been moving up. And it reached 108 noong December 20. Now it's 177. Huh? So it's moving up and let's see. Kasi ang pinaka... Oh, this is resistance level already ha. Yan po. Ang resistance level. But the next higher resistance is here. Kasi with new management kasi 195 to 2 pesos po yung next higher. But with Metro Pacific coming in, then there will be an inflow of new capital which will bring the price of the stock even higher. So it's already overbought, but nevertheless, SPNEC has some good prospects of increasing its value in the coming days. Yan po ang ating report sa stock market. Ika-29 ng Marso. Ito po si Benji Chidoro nagpapaalala. An investment in knowledge pays the best interest. Maraming salamat sa inyong pagsubaybay hanggang sa muli. Stay safe. God bless. Bye for now.